A family burying their grandmother heard movement inside the coffin. When the funeral director opened it, what he saw froze him in terror. At Oakwood Cemetery, the Morrison family gathered to lay Eleanor to rest. Her son David pressed his ear to the coffin and swore he heard rustling from within. Funeral director Hayes brushed it off as shifting wood, but as the casket was lowered, the noises grew louder, too real to ignore. Alarmed, Hayes ordered the workers to pull it back up. Under the bright sun, he unlocked the lid and lifted it open. One glance made him stumble backward before grabbing his phone to call the police. Inside the coffin, curled beside Eleanor's body, was a massive black rat snake surrounded by freshly laid eggs. Wildlife officials later explained the pregnant snake had slithered inside at the funeral home. Thanks to David's sharp ears, the horrifying secret was uncovered.